The final battle, understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in movies, books, or even in everyday conversations, the final battle. This phrase is rich in meaning and is often used metaphorically. So, sit tight as we explore its significance and usage in the English language. The final battle refers to the last and decisive confrontation or conflict in a series of events. It's where everything comes to a head, and the outcome determines the ultimate victor or resolution of a prolonged struggle. This phrase can be used both literally, like in a war or sports competition, and metaphorically, to represent a personal struggle or a significant challenge in one's life. In a literal sense, the final battle is a term often used in historical contexts or epic narratives. For example, in a war movie, the final battle is the ultimate showdown between opposing forces, determining the fate of the characters and the larger conflict. Similarly, in sports, it could refer to the last match or game that decides the champion of a tournament. Metaphorically, the final battle is a powerful phrase used to describe a crucial moment in someone's life. It could symbolize the last hurdle or challenge one faces before achieving a significant goal. For instance, a student might refer to their final exams as the final battle before graduation. It signifies the importance and the intensity of the situation. Understanding how to use this phrase in a sentence can greatly enhance your English communication. Here are a few examples. Literal context: the soldiers prepared for the final battle, knowing the fate of their country rested in their hands. Metaphorical context: after years of hard work, she faced the final battle of her career, the presentation that could earn her the promotion. In today's lesson, we unfolded the layers of meaning behind the final battle. Whether used literally or metaphorically, this phrase encapsulates the intensity and significance of a concluding conflict or challenge. We hope this video helps you understand and use the final battle in various contexts, enriching your English vocabulary and expression. Keep practicing, and until next time, keep learning and thriving.